Bonjour, I'm Angela, a modern languages teacher and owner of Lively Languages. Today we're going to look at the French verb manquer. Why? Because it has more than one meaning, and one way it is used is quite unusual for English speakers. Let's look at the first meaning. Manquer plus a noun means to miss. So we'd say, j'ai manqué le bus for I missed the bus. Or il a manqué le but for he missed the goal. And we can have manquer de plus a noun. Manquer de followed by a noun is a way of saying what we don't have, i.e. what we lack. For example, ce garçon manque d'enthousiasme means this boy has no enthusiasm. Manquer de can also be followed by a verb to say what we didn't do or achieve. An example would be j'ai manqué de m'habiller aujourd'hui for I didn't get dressed today. Manquer followed by a is used when we want to say we're missing someone. But in French, you have to say that someone is missing to you. Here are some examples. Mon chien me manque means literally my dog is missing to me. But we'd say in English, I'm missing my dog. And then we could say mon chien te manque for you're missing my dog. Mon chien lui manque, he or she is missing my dog. Mon chien nous manque for we are missing my dog. Mon chien vous manque for you are all missing my dog. Mon chien leur manque for they are missing my dog. If we wanted to specify that Sylvie misses my dog instead of she misses my dog, we'd say mon chien manque à Sylvie, and Sylvie replaces the indirect pronoun lui. So, in short, manquer can be used in 4 different ways, but the thing to remember is that if you want to say you miss someone or something, you have to start the phrase with who or what you're missing. Here's one more example. Le soleil me manque means I'm missing the sunshine. Why not add a phrase employing one use of manquer in the comments? That would be superbe. Or if you have a question, pop that in the comments too and I'll reply. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another one. You can also follow us on Facebook or find out more about our conversation groups here. All that remains for me to say is merci et au revoir. Thanks for watching.